Hi, it's been a little while. If you're new here, my name is Kyle. I make videos about cameras, tech, and all that good stuff. Today is a little bit of a different video because I have had a problem of not making videos. So this is a video about not making videos and feeling like Quick disclaimer, there's some audio issues in this video. I tried my best, but I couldn't really fix them, but I wanted to post the video, so I apologize in advance. Sorry, guys. So the past couple weeks, maybe a month, I think it's a little bit more than a month at this point, I've been really struggling with creativity. The weather, as weird or lame as that sounds, COVID-19, the pandemic, not seeing people like my friends, even some family, and just having a problem being literally creative in any sense of the word. I actually recorded this video the other night. I rambled on for like 17 minutes about so many different things, and I think it would have been a horrible video to post. I normally don't scrap videos. When I film, I really have the intent of this thing is going to live on the internet forever, but it just didn't make any sense. This video probably doesn't make any sense at all either, but I'm really trying here. I really am. I started making videos about cameras and photography because I couldn't hold it in anymore. I loved it so much, and there was so much for me to learn as well as inform other people that I was like, I have to do this. And I also started the endeavor to make passive income. It was something that I really set my mind to try and change my life, to actually be able to save money for once, and not struggle financially. What's weird is I feel like I've accomplished a lot of the goals I set out to do when I changed my niche from, vlogging and things like that.
Watch his channel and see what we do every single day with our lives. Absolutely. Vlogs every day.
To photography and gear related things. So I'm just going to go out and say this is one of my favorite manual lenses that I've ever tested, worked with, shot with. It is just really fun to use. I am making quite a bit and passive income. I actually, as weird as it sounds, I've had one of the best months ever in regards to passive income in March of 2021. And I haven't made a single video. It's strange, but I've set out to make this channel work like that. I've made videos where if you search in 2025, it'll be a video about how to make your photos sharp, and it will apply a couple years down the line as well as it does today. So that's, evergreen content where people can watch those videos. I can make passive income on it regardless of, the day or the hot trends of the day. And I can't thank you guys enough for, going through the affiliate links in the description or just watching my videos. I make money off of YouTube AdSense like every other YouTuber on the planet. And it has literally changed my life. I have more money than I've ever had in my entire life, and yet I'm not necessarily happier for it. I am in a sense that I have more security as like an adult. Me and Meg, as you guys know, are getting married in October. A lot of things with a wedding cost a lot of money, so it is definitely bringing me more security in my life. I'm less anxious about things that have to do with money. But when it comes to like my YouTube channel and the fulfillment, the creative side, and just wanting to hit record and just burst with energy and talk to you guys and just make new and fun and exciting things, lately it just hasn't been there at all. And it's just something that really, it angers me, it frustrates me, it confuses me, because this is something that I've been accustomed to doing every now and again, where it's like I just fall in this pit and I can't get out of it. A couple videos that really kind of sparked just turning on the camera today. One is from Cody. He is an incredible YouTuber. He makes videos about really anything. He used to daily vlog. Now he makes videos about making videos. Super meta, super awesome, highly recommend his channel. Here's a quick clip from his video, which was an hour long, which was super entertaining, which I will link down in the description, but check this out.
Was helpful. Yeah. All right, let's go make this video. Just gotta drive over to State Street, and then that's where I'm meeting Jelani. Then I'll follow him around, take some vids of him while he takes some pictures, ask him some questions. Simple as that. Sometimes you just like gotta get out of your head about it. It's not as complex as you want to make it, man. Just make the video.
I love this part of his video, and I watched the entire video. It's an hour long. I just go watch it if you're a creator. I resonate with kind of his story so much. He talks about, even in the video, about struggling with deadlines, procrastination, which, you know, I'm sure some of his partners have seen, and hopefully not, but they probably will. Some of my partners will see this video and be like, dude, where is this video or where is that video? And they're coming. They're coming. I'm sorry, they're coming. But yeah, he's so right. Cody, you are so right. Don't make things so complicated. Just hit record. It doesn't have to be some masterpiece, but I want to suggest another video real quick if you're in a creative rut or something like that. Eric Floberg. He just hit 100,000 subscribers. I know I'm dating this video by saying a number like this, but Eric, congrats on 100,000. If you see this video, congrats on 200,000, because I'm sure that you're just going to go up from here, my friend. This video title is called Screw the Algorithms, and he talks about literally what I think I go through every year, and that's kind of like a seasonal depression, which is weird because I love springtime, but the thing about springtime this year is I can't do what I normally love doing, and it's going to sound very nerdy, but I love roller coasters. I love theme parks. I'm a theme park enthusiast. I know it's super nerdy, just bear with me. I know stats about roller coasters to theme parks I haven't even been to. I know the locations of different things with amusement parks. It's a nerdy passion, and I love roller coasters. Anyway, his video, Screw the Algorithms, he talks about how he kind of goes through this when he can't go outside. I think he's based out of Chicago, and it gets very cold there. It gets cold in PA here too. And during the winter, I am miserable. And with photography, it makes it that much harder. I feel like in my videos recently, I've been photographing the same goddamn things in my house to show photo examples. And although I kind of love it a little bit because I get to test things on the same things, but at the same time, I kind of want to just get out. And now that I'm fully vaccinated, thank God, maybe I will venture out in the world. I've been kind of battling in my head if I should go more places now that I'm fully vaccinated. But to what Eric talks about, it's just this weird kind of depression wave that you roll through.
I always feel like these winter months destroy us as creatives, not being able to go outside or do the things we want to. For me, I started Rally Caps and a finance channel with Mike, and my own personal channel seen a lot of growth during this season, so I've been really busy. And it's different than years past. I had a video go viral around New Year's, and the same exact thing happened 2 years in a row around the same exact time frame, and things like popped off, and I felt like the world is at my fingertips. And when reality sets in and all that kind of dissipates, I find myself feeling depressed and anxious about my channel not performing, me not performing to my potential.
And even if your channel is doing amazing, like, this month is one of my best months ever with Amazon affiliate income, I feel like shit. I still feel like shit, and it's so weird. Okay, all over the place again, like my last attempt to film this video. But Eric, I really loved your video. Guys, link in the description if you want to see it. It's super short. Cody's is an hour long. Eric's is 3 minutes long, just kind of about his journey and his YouTube's rise and things like that. And Cody's is like a behind the scenes of like his week or week and a half, 2 weeks. I don't know how long he filmed for that video, but super cool looks on both of their takes. So back to my own shit is that another big problem of mine is video games, which this is a Gears of War shirt. This is an old shirt. I think I've had this for 8 years or something like that. I'm actually gonna play video games with my buddy here in a couple minutes, and that has been a big problem of mine. After I'm done work and like I've thought about a video idea all day, instead of turning on the camera and filming a video, I will fire up my Xbox, go into Gears of War, and just completely forget about the video idea. And not to keep saying the COVID thing, but it's just something that has become even more embedded in my life. Video games, I get to hang out with my friends, you know, through Xbox Live rather than seeing them in person. A lot of my friends live in New Jersey rather than Pennsylvania, and it's not super far, but, you know, with COVID and everything, it's just become a thing where I'm just not going anywhere. I'm not seeing people, I'm not hanging out with groups of friends. I have a problem with choosing that over making videos, and it's just, it makes me more anxious when I choose that, which relaxes me. When I choose gaming, which relaxes me and I have fun, it makes me anxious on the back end because that means I'm not making videos. Does that make sense? So I'm diverting and I'm like, ooh, this feels good. But then I'm like, ooh, it makes me feel worse. And then I have to feel good, then feel worse. And it just keeps rolling on like the biggest snowball ever to hit planet Earth. It's probably bigger than planet Earth, actually. So when I hit record and I'm trying to just get my thoughts out there in a video like this, and then I see videos like Eric's and I see videos like Cody's, it starts to turn the wheel and it starts to get me back on track. There are lenses that I want to review for you guys that have been sitting on my desk over there. I also really, really want to do a big lens giveaway because I don't need all of these lenses. Let's just face it, I don't need 20 camera lenses. I mean, I like having 20 camera lenses or however many I have, but I don't need them all, and I want to give back to you guys because, you know, like I said earlier in the video, through passive income and stuff that you guys have given me, I want to give back. So I want to do that, and I've been putting that off. I have other big ideas and projects that I want to do, but I just haven't because of gaming, you know, not going anywhere, COVID, just all these different things, the cold ass fucking weather. It's just, it's been tough. I want to keep making videos. I want to make videos for the rest of my life, and I want YouTube to eventually be the main thing that I do. And I haven't been treating it like that lately, and it's really drained me a lot. And I just wanted to tell you guys that, I guess. I can talk about COVID, I can talk about the winter, I can talk about money helping me, but also not helping me creatively. I can talk about so many different things, but like really when it comes down to it, it's just, I haven't felt happy. I haven't felt happy and I haven't felt creative, but I think I'm coming out of it. And thank you guys for watching my videos in the meantime. Anybody new here, thank you. And I doubt you got it to the end of this video, but yeah, just thank you. I can't say it enough because you guys with your comments, sharing things that I make, tweeting at me, you know, Instagram comments, all the different things. I really do appreciate it. I try and be as transparent as possible, and that's what this video is. And I know you guys are going to be like super supportive. I really appreciate that. I'm thanking you basically in advance for all the nice things that you guys are going to say, because you guys are the best. You guys are literally the best. Okay. I don't know what to say at this point besides I can't wait to make an actual video about something for you guys. And I think I have an idea for a quick, weird video next. So, I mean, this one was weird, but another one that's less weird. About cameras. How about that? All right, I'm going to stop. Been recording for a while. And sorry if it didn't make sense. But I've just felt like I've been failing at YouTube. And I don't want to fail anymore. And I haven't failed, but I just feel like I have. So, time to stop feeling that way Time to turn it around. All right, that's it for this video. I will see you guys in the next episode. Later.